Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, let's get on with this one. Hi, how you doing? So today we're going to make these beautiful aloo tikki or potato cakes. Nice and spicy, got lots of little vegetables in them. They're really fantastic. Now, look, I'm going to make loads of these. So if you want to make this amount, half everything that I'm using, and I'm going to make about 20 in total. But yeah, if you want to do that, follow the recipe. If not, cut it all in half. These are really beautiful. Serving it with some lovely little pickles and chutneys. Fantastic. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, look, so we're going to need some potatoes cooked. So I've got 4 or 5 regular sized potatoes there. I've peeled them, put them into some cold water, get a little bit of salt in there. We're going to bring that to the boil, let them boil away till they're super soft. Okay, so look, the potatoes are boiling. Once they're really nice and soft, we're going to drain them off and just mash them. Don't add anything else to them. Okay, this is the veg we're going to use. I've roughly got equal parts of everything I'm about to show you, apart from the fresh chili, which you can adjust how you want. Now I've got about half a cup of carrot grated, celery, bell peppers, tomato, frozen peas. I just rinse them through a little bit of warm water, and onion. You can really play around with the amounts that you like, and if you want, add some mushrooms, zucchini, something else, you know. But yeah, that's a little combo that I'm going for. So you've seen that. I'm going to get the potatoes drained and mashed. Then I'll show you a couple of other bits. Then we'll get it together. Okay, look, there's our potato. Just mashed up. In there I've got 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. You can use something else if you want. That's getting nice and hot. 2 teaspoons cumin seeds. And then, very simply, we're going to drop everything in. So the peppers, the tomato, the onion, the celery, the carrot, the chili and the peas. The mixture of vegetables that you've selected. We're also going to add 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. We're going to add a nice big pinch of black pepper, salt, and then I'm adding 2 teaspoons of chili powder and 1 of turmeric. If you wanted, you could be adding some coriander in there, some cumin powder. I'm just going with those guys. Or if you want a bit of curry powder that you might have. So we're going to stay on this fairly vigorous, lively heat, and we're going to go for 4 to 5 minutes. So any selection of vegetables go, as you can see, and that's looking fabulous. Right, we're now going to get in our potato, our mashed potato, half a cup of cilantro or coriander, and then we're going to mix this in. We're going to cook for about another 4 minutes or so, stirring it away, mixing it together. Really simple. This potato filling is done. It's really, really tasty. Really, really fabulous. Okay, we can move on. Okay, so that's cooled down a little bit. It's still quite hot. Now we're going to go with some flour. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 tablespoons, and then we're going to mix that in and then let it sit. We can move on to the next stage. Okay, so what I've done here, as you can see, I've made just 9 of these. Now we've got plenty there. I've probably got maybe 20, 25 in the batch that we're making. And if you want to make less, you need to reduce everything down maybe by half. But I've got 9 little ones there. That's a tablespoon of the potato mixture, which I've just rolled in my hand and then flattened it out into like little burgers, you know, little patties or tikki. And then what I've done is I've just put a little bit of flour on them. Now the reason that we put the flour in, a lot of you might be asking that, is that the potatoes are quite wet. So the flour is going to kind of bind it and help it stay together. Okay, look, we're ready to fry. So look, I've got some oil there. I'm going to kind of deep fry my ones, which I recommend, but you can shallow fry them if you want. Now, a couple of tips. Now look, I've used wheat flour, regular plain wheat flour. You could use a different flour if you want. It might be suitable for your diet or something, maybe cornstarch or corn flour. I've not tried this with coconut flour or almond flour, for example. I don't know how that would work. Look, in they go. Beautiful. Now these are going to take about just 3 minutes aside, I would imagine. And you can use any oil you want to fry them in. So I'm not going to touch them yet, just let them do their thing, because I say they're fairly delicate, then I'll flip them a bit later. And these are looking absolutely beautiful. Now, when you first put them in, leave them for a little bit because they're going to stick a little bit. Depends on the type of pan, but they'll stick. But if you just leave them for a few minutes, they're going to release themselves. Then you can flip them over. But yeah, lovely golden brown. Off goes the heat. I'm going to get these out. I mean, look at those. We're going to get these out and we're going to get these onto some kitchen paper just to get any excess oil from them. But they're beautiful, really lovely. Let me do that, and then we can serve them. All right, so there we go, on a plate. And as you can see, I'm serving this with 3 pickles or chutneys. So I've got here in the center a mango sliced pickle. I love that one. Then we've got the green chutney, which is mint, coriander or cilantro and chili. And then here I've got a deli chat, which is a kind of tangy, kind of tamarind type thing. Really, really beautiful. These are really easy. I hope you enjoy that. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.